Okay, so Luke is removing now the excess glue from the wallpaper. We've done the rest. All the glue is off.
Clean your edge.
Okay, then take your sponge, boy. Start wetting the bottom of the wall. Wet it. Don't squeeze the water out. The wetter the glue, the easier it comes off. Moeilijk.
Wet it, don't squish it. Leave it how it is.
The wetter the glue, the better.
Then it comes off easier. Then it has to be clear.
Okay, so Dad is now going to teach the boys
Well, I've done it before.
how to mix the rhino light for the wall that we've got to fill in.
I've done it before, so he doesn't really have to teach me. But I used a scoop, so.
So put it in. Sorry.
Go, let's go do it outside.
Yeah, go do it there on the grass.
How much must he do?
I'll tell you.
How must he know?
I'll tell you. Just take all the cloth out. Make all the cloth out.
Oh my god.
Oh my God,
Oh, I feel sting.
surprised at how much these kind of things satisfy you.
Oh, that is nice. Oh. Come feel this. Just do this. Just do this. Feel how nice, satisfying that is.
Oh yeah.
Yo, that's
It's
nice.
like powder.
Yo,
Baby powder.
yo, it's so much fun. Don't you put water into it. I'll leave. Oh, this is nice.
Slowly.
Go stop.
No, no, no.
Okay,
more,
go.
more.
Don't stop. Keep more. Actually, you can just dump it in.
No, not all of it. Half. Go half.
Go half of it.
It's already past half.
Yeah, go fill it in now.
Okay.
Is that how you make cement?
Yeah. Sometimes there's rocks.
Go, Calvin, put more in.
No, in this.
No, yeah.
More water.
Quick.
And then you go get more water.
Quick. Just throw it all in.
Okay, quickly go get more water.
Halfway in, eh? Halfway
What
on
is that
each side.
called?
It's called
Joint cake.
halfway on this board, halfway on that board. It's called I don't know.
Can I get, please? Can I get the thing, please?
Take it to the right to the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
And you just cut it with that thing at the bottom. Halfway, remember. No, at the bottom, right at the bottom. Yeah, that's
Done this before.
What you doing? You're filling the holes.
Yeah. If there's any professional people
Is
who
it
do
fun?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah. If there's any professional people who do this out there, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Why?
So I'm not doing it right, I know it.
No, you're doing a good job.
I really was.
You're doing a really good job.
Probably looks to them.
It's like playing with clay.
Except if it
Don't
gets
forget the whole way.
except if it gets stuck on your hands, it's never coming off. So not a big difference. I feel like I'm using 2 little cements. Going up and down the whole time.
That looks very satisfying.
Try. And then we're gonna get some.
Look, you gotta do this quickly, eh? Remember, if it gets dry, it's a boo-boo.
That just uses the word boo-boo.
Boo-boo. It's a boo-boo if it gets dry too quickly.
You
Can
good?
Yeah, but can you see what I studied?
No.
Interior design. You know how many holes in my life I've had to fill?
Okay. Okay, I can see. It's fine.
Wow, mommy's good.
Mom is very good.
Okay, so this is the masking tape, the scraper, Stanley knife, sugar soap that we used after we got rid of the rust. Here is what we used to get rid of the rust. I'm just showing you. Okay, then after we used that, we used the sugar soap. Oh my goodness, sugar soap. Okay. And then he used this blower to dry it properly. And then obviously that's when the paint goes over if there is any rust that stayed behind to seal the rust. To seal the rust. So on this window you can see there was rust on the outside, and that's why it is sealed on the outside as well. So you just sand the wall,
Yeah.
or do you say sanded the wall? Sand the wall. Let's see what tool you used.
I use the hand sander and piece of sanding.
Sanding paper. Let's see. It's a what's it?
Default.
DeWalt. 100 grit. 100. Let's all learn. 100 grit. What, paper or sander? 100 grit sandpaper with a hand sander. Thanks for sanding the wall. What's the next step, Luke? Where are you?
Getting the plug.
Okay, what's the next step? Paint. Woohoo! Luke, listen to me. So what are you gonna paint now?
Undercut.
Undercoat first.
For the wall.
And then you're gonna only paint the color.
Yeah.
How many coats of undercoat does it get?
2.
2 coats. 2 coats.
Squad, guess
Well
that.
done,
I guessed
Luke.
that.
Well done.
I totally guessed that.
Okay, so you prepping for paint, and then let's see what's gonna happen.
You take the packing and that.
Okay, so we're using a pink mohair roller. Moxie, what you wearing?
Trash can.
A trash bag.
Trash can.
Wow, it's gorgeous. Yo, especially with that open back. Let me see, turn. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Luke, you know what to do here?
So this is more or less
What is going on?
what we're getting at.
What are we gonna do?
We obviously still have to do the floor, yeah.
Cement.
Yeah, we're just waiting for we have to cut this. We're waiting for the new frame on the inside, which will go obviously all the way around. But this is basically the way it's gonna look.
Hola, soy Shore.
Oh, it's like a never-ending story, this wall. We will eventually finish.
"2,000 years later."
And here is our wall finally finished 4 months later. Was a job and a half.
As you can see, that we decided not to put wallpaper on the wall or to paint it, but to rather clad it with corrugated polycarb in the bronze color, which we really love. And we just rounded it off at the bottom with the quarter round, and we sprayed it the color that we wanted it. We also had custom made frames for around the window, and then the corner profile in aluminium around the whole frame we just sprayed in the charcoal that we love. So this is what the wall looked like before. As you can see, it was our messy corner. I wanted to pull the wallpaper off because it was peeling away from the wall, and little did I know that there was going to be so much trouble behind the wallpaper. So I'm really glad that we actually did it. So we started off by clearing out the area, and then after we cleared out the area, we started pulling down the wallpaper, and the job just continued from there. As we pulled down the wallpaper, we found that there was a major water problem on the wall from the windows on the from the outside towards the inside, and we obviously had to sort everything out. That's why the job took us 4 months instead of 2 months. We also decided to make a new furniture piece, which we made from scratch, and we absolutely love it. There is a YouTube video to see how we made this side table, and there is a YouTube video on part 1 of this wall. We love the way our wall turned out, and it was a great family project and homeschool project to take on. Please subscribe to our channel and see what we are up to next. Yes, we have already chosen a new wall, so I'm sure you would like to see what we are planning next, and we are looking forward to it. Stay mad, stay rad, stay loud, stay proud, and remember to follow our crowd. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.